guys, I've started to print a beam engine, which is one of the things I really wanted to do. I couldn't find anything, but this gentleman has given it, and his engine is working really nice, and I thought I gotta do it. So here we go. Hopefully all parts will be printed well, and we'll see how we go. This is the frame, obviously, just a one frame. Obviously we've got to do 2 frames. This is 21%. I'm doing 30% infill here. 50% done. What I don't understand, guys, is the first one worked really well indeed, as you can see, and the second one gave me this kind of nonsense, some problems here. So I'm putting a raft on this one, and I put some hairspray on the plate as well, because I've tried it 3 times now, and this is actually the 3rd time, guys. So yeah, it was getting a bit frustrating, but hopefully that this will work. I've also bumped up the temperature of both the plate and the nozzle a little bit. The plate, sorry, the nozzle is now 210 and the plate is 65. Well, that printed okay, guys. There's the other one. We're printing the flywheel, guys. I put supports on the bed plate, and also I've made 100% infill so that it gives a bit of weight, because that's what the gentleman said we should do. This is the start of it anyway. Oh dear, it didn't stick. It didn't stay stuck, put it that way. It's going on good. Never mind. So guys, I've started to print the beam engine again, the flywheel, but this time I'm using just a normal PLA, and it's in white. I put supports on it because it's suggested it, and rafts. So we'll see how it goes. We're not going to video everything. Well guys, finally printed the wheel, and it's got supports, that's why it's filled up. I'll have to take that off and see what it looks like anyway. That's it, guys. This is the beam printed now. Just finished. Okay, so this is it. That's where the piston is, I think, as far as I understand. So guys, this is the crankshaft which I tried to print, and I was getting concerned because on the Cura it came up with error, and I wasn't sure what to do. So I did contact the gentleman, and he said well, put supports, etc. Well, I did put supports on here all over, and this was infill was 30, by the way. So I've just finished printing this one here, and this, what I did, I leveled the bed again, changed the PLA, and I did the infill about 20 instead of 30. But it just, as you can hear, it just finished. I'm so pleased that it's done.